Hello there. So you want to know how you can cleanly reinstall Rockstar Game Launcher. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your search bar and go to settings. Once you've done that, go ahead into apps, go ahead into installed apps, and then search for Rockstar Games. So as you can see, there's Rockstar Games and Launcher. Uninstall both of it by clicking on that right here, and then click on remove saved Rockstar game account profile data, remove currently installed game data, continue. And it's going to take a while. However, it's going to go ahead and uninstall every single thing right over here, as you can see. So it's going to take a little while. However, let's just wait for it. Now, as you can see, it is successfully uninstalled. Simply click on close. Now you want to go to run and then simply search for app data, just like that. And once you've done that, go into locals right over here and then look for Rockstar Games over here and just delete that as well. Now your Rockstar Games has completely and cleanly been uninstalled. Now you can simply go ahead into any browser that you prefer using, search for rockstargames.com, go to downloads right over here and click on get launcher. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where you're going to simply click on download for Windows. It's going to download and right away, so simply go ahead and double click on it and you can now launch the launcher. So let's just wait for that as well. And you're going to be on this screen. Select your language, click on continue. I accept Rockstar Games terms and services. Choose the place where you want to install it, click on continue, and there you go. It's going to be installed, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.